Tired of multitasking chaos? Sticky notes everywhere? Multitasking can be overwhelming and torturous. Human beings are not born for multitasking, but there's a way out. Introducing the new generation MoveNote, the revolutionary tool that changes the way you work and think. Bid farewell to frustration. No more task struggles, no more sticky note mess. Focus on one task at a time. And make multitask into one task. The new MoveNote with Mover Erase 2-in-1 universal sizes magnetic silicon design. Eco-friendly and compatible with traditional Post-its. Swipe or peel when done. Washable. Stackable. Patented press and stand-up design for easy note-taking and moving. 6 forms to display ideas. Take it anywhere. A 3 and A4 for sketching, tailored for your needs. Transforms into Trifold note, stands vertically or horizontally, organizes tasks. Use colors and templates to suit your style. MoveNote goes digital too. Use favorite apps, store in the cloud. Access, organize, and share with ease. Great thinkers definitely do not think alike, but they do organize their thoughts in a similar way. MoveNote lets you jot and wipe easily, prioritize your tasks, and move around your thoughts. Visualize your plan at a glance. Stay on top without feeling overwhelmed. Staying focused is tough. MoveNote connects you with tasks, freeing your mind from distractions. Get things done with ease. MoveNote boosts efficiency. Prioritize with single highlights, protect your calendar. A cool tool for self-talking. Colorful notes and templates break down big missions, focus on one thing at a time. Experience the new generation MoveNote. Power by action. Bravestorming.